Hi, this is Paul, Aussie KOMBI. Today just going to run a short video on Lite-Steer. We're becoming Australian or Australasian distributors for Lite-Steer products, which is electric steering. And I just wanted to show you what that was all about. This one's installed a couple of weeks ago, and I've just got it running here at the moment. But I thought I'd show you how easily, if I just I'll show you this with one finger. Turn the wheel, go back the other way. That's just one finger, right? Full lock, come back the other way. So you can sort of get the idea how super easy it is. And of course, once you get going, it firms up as you go along. There's a GPS. There's a GPS receiver here that sends a signal to the control box, which is mounted up underneath, and which tightens up the steering so it's not as sensitive. And I just love it. I reckon it's fantastic. And if you're interested, get in contact with us at Aussie KOMBI Lite-Steer. Bye for now.